Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator on Xbox. First, ensure your Xbox console is connected to a stable internet connection. Then, install the game from the Xbox Store or through Game Pass. For the best experience, consider connecting a compatible controller or even a dedicated flight stick. Finally, take a moment to adjust your display settings to optimize for both visual quality and smooth performance. This initial setup will get you ready for takeoff. Now, let's get familiar with the controls. Your Xbox controller will be your primary interface, allowing you to navigate menus and execute flight maneuvers. Spend some time learning the basic flight controls for essential actions like takeoff, landing, and steering. You can also access the world map to plan your journeys and switch between several camera views, including a detailed cockpit view and various external perspectives, to enhance your immersion. For your very first flight, I recommend choosing a smaller, more forgiving aircraft. Select a short flight plan between two nearby airports to keep things manageable. The game provides helpful on-screen navigation aids and indicators to guide you along your planned route. Focus on practicing smooth takeoffs, making gentle turns, and executing controlled landings. Remember, practice makes perfect, and each flight will build your confidence and skill in the virtual skies. Once you are comfortable with the basics, the world is yours to explore. Experiment with a wide variety of aircraft, from small propeller planes to large airliners, and experience diverse weather conditions. Discover famous global landmarks and iconic cities from a unique aerial perspective. Don't forget to engage with the comprehensive flight training tutorials to further hone your piloting skills. You can even join online multiplayer sessions to fly alongside friends or other virtual pilots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.